Welcome back, everyone. I'm so excited to have you here for a game-changing lesson. Today, we're going beyond the page to bring your scripts to life as short films. We'll walk through how to select a scene in Saga, generate video, and edit it, turning it into a short film that you can share with the world. By the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to create your own film and maybe even submit it to a festival. Let's dive in. If you've been following this course, you know Saga helps you write better scripts faster by combining AI with screenwriting theory. Now, you can take those scripts and turn them into photorealistic videos without needing a full production crew. This is a revolution for filmmakers. Whether you're making a 2-minute short or dreaming of a feature film, short films are the perfect way to build your portfolio and test your ideas. And Saga makes it accessible, fast, and fun. So, let's get started with the first step, selecting your script. Your goal is to pick a 1 to 2 page scene from your script, something with clear action, dialogue, and vivid visuals to show off Saga's video generation capabilities. Think of a tense conversation in a rainy alley for a noir thriller, or a heartfelt moment in a cozy cafe for a drama. If you don't have a script yet, no worries. You can use Saga to start fresh. Let's open Saga and head to the script tab. Here's a sample script I've got. A 1-page scene where 2 characters argue in a dystopian marketplace. Notice how it's got dialogue, some action lines, and a clear setting. If you're working on a short film, keep it concise. 1 to 2 pages is perfect for a 1 to 2 minute video. Once you've got your scene, use Saga's storyboarder to add detailed shot descriptions. For example, I might add close-up on Sarah's face, rain dripping, neon signs flickering in the background. These details help create a cinematic look. Try it out. Pause here and pick or write a scene in Saga. Now the fun part, turning your script into a video. Saga lets you generate photorealistic videos from text prompts, complete with lip syncing for dialogue. It's like having a virtual film studio at your fingertips. Here's how it works. In Saga, go to the video generation section, or you can use these techniques with any of your favorite video generation tool. Export your scene from the script tab, or copy the text. Then, you'll want to add specific prompts to guide the output. You don't need to specify character appearances because Saga will reference all the bios in the character tab. Like Sarah, 30s, black hair, leather jacket. The real magic is Saga's lip sync feature. If your scene has dialogue, just type it in and Saga will export the characters speaking the words. Once you're ready, hit generate and watch the magic happen.
It means leverage. Something you clearly don't understand, seeing as you've spent this whole night trying to one-up me.
Saga will show you a preview, and you can regenerate or tweak the prompt if the first version isn't quite right. Save the best version and write any additional notes for that shot. Pause here if you want to try generating a clip in Saga. Alright, you've got your video clip. Now it's time to polish it into a short film. We'll use Adobe Premiere Pro for editing in this example, but free tools like DaVinci Resolve work great too. Editing is where you take Saga's raw footage and make it shine. Let's walk through some basic techniques to help you get started. Open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Drag your Saga-generated video into the timeline. This is your raw footage. First, let's trim it using the razor tool, or drag the edges to cut out any awkward frames, like a shaky start, or extra seconds at the end, or hallucinations. Aim for tight pacing. Every second counts in a short film. Next, add transitions. A simple cut between shots works for most scenes, but you can add a fade to black for a dramatic close. Just go to the effects panel, search for dissolve, and drag it between clips if you want a smoother transition. Now, audio. Your Saga clip might include AI-generated dialogue, but you can enhance it with music or sound effects. There's lots of great resources out there where you can find background music. Once you have a file that you like, sync it with your video by aligning the audio track in the timeline. If the dialogue needs a boost, you can record a voiceover or adjust the volume in Premiere's audio mixer. Finally, do a quick color correction. In the color workspace, you can also open up the comparison tab and then use the auto color correction technique to make the color consistent between shots so you have a perfect film overall. Don't overdo it. Small tweaks go a long way. Save your project and export it. If you're new to editing, don't stress. These basics are enough to create a solid short film. Pause here and try editing your clip in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or your favorite nonlinear editing software.
You think you can make demands now? That piece doesn't mean anything without the rest of the artifact.
It means leverage. Something you clearly don't understand, seeing as you've spent this whole night trying to one-up me.
Now, let's zoom out and think bigger. A short film is awesome on its own, but it's also the building block for something larger. A feature film or a TV episode is just like a series of short films, scenes woven together to tell a longer story. For example, your 2-minute marketplace argument could be one scene in a 90-minute sci-fi feature, or a pivotal moment in a 60-minute TV episode. In Saga, you can generate multiple scenes, linking them with consistent character arcs and themes. Let's say your short film is a hit at a festival. You could expand it into a feature by writing more scenes in Saga, generating new videos, and editing them together. Or use it as the pilot teaser for a series we built in the last lesson. The key is to test your short film with audiences, submit it to festivals, or share it online to see what resonates before scaling up. Create a 1 to 2 minute short film using Saga. Step 1. In Saga's script tab, write or select a 1 to 2 page scene with strong visuals and dialogue. Maybe it's a dramatic breakup or a thrilling chase. Use the scene builder to add shot descriptions. Step 2. Head to Saga's video generation tool to create video from your scene. Tweak prompts for style and character details, and make sure the lip sync looks sharp. Save the best version and export your video. Step 3. Import your videos into Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or your favorite editing software. Trim the footage, add a transition or two, sync some music or sound effects, and do a quick color correction. Then export your final short film. Step 4. Share your film. Submit it to local film festivals, post it online, or screen it at a community event. Then head to our course discussion board and tell us all about it. Did it get into a festival? How did audiences react? We want to hear your story. Pause now, open Saga, and start creating your film. You've got this. Let's wrap up. Today, we've learned how to go from script to screen using Saga's video tools to generate photorealistic videos and Premiere Pro to edit them into a polished short film. We've seen how short films can be stepping stones to feature films or TV episodes. And Saga's tools make it easier than ever to bring your vision to life. Your challenge now is to finish that short film and get it out into the world. Submit it to a festival, premiere it at a local theater, or share it online. Every great filmmaker started with a single project, and this could be yours. Go to the course discussion board and let us know when your film is done. I can't wait to hear about your success. In our next lesson, we'll explore more ways to elevate your scripts with Saga's AI tools. For now, jump into Saga, generate that video, and start editing. Share your progress on the discussion board, and let's celebrate your filmmaking journey together. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.